It's a traditional risk like virus and all these things. It's commonly it's being said. But the one thing is there which I say top three it could be, which sometime if we means we are neglecting those things, sometime it's not getting identified. One thing you can say it's like a supply chain risk. So most of the time the supply chain risk it's getting avoided. Sometimes we want to control, that is also it's not getting covered. Supply chain risk you can take it as the first one. Second one you can say nowadays it's like top key challenges since organization is moving towards the cloud. So it's a cloud security, and the third one is the API security. So these three things basically need to be taken care, and these are the top three things in my mind. Cybersecurity directive, okay, from the certain sites whatever it has come. So one thing I'll say, it's nothing like a new, being in a financial sector. Earlier RBI guidelines also it was there, and yeah, certain has made it mandatory for most, means for all the infrastructure, and they have made it for reporting type of thing. So ultimately it's like within some particular predefined time it need to be reported. So it's like if our controls are strengthened, and if we are in a position to detect that thing, and for that we have to like put that proper strong controls, and if we have identified those things, then reporting it should not be a problem. It's like it's mentioned after detecting this particular time, and so our need to be defined. Definitely if we are working toward the back to basic type of all the concept, and we are strengthening the control, probably implementation of guidelines is not that much hard. It's like for the betterment of the organization it can be done. So it's a slightly tricky one, but one thing I'll say, it's a good thing is there. Again, three things straightforward I'll say, and then I'll explain. So one thing is the back to basic. Any solution, any advanced thing, if we are just leaving that part, if we are not following that concept, then it will not be the good implementation of any solution. Then proper configuration. If I am purchasing $1 million solution and configuration is not good, then again it's a wastage. And after that, third thing is there, like continuous monitoring. It doesn't mean one time implemented and always it is fit. So always it need to be monitored and assessed, and accordingly it need to be strengthened. So that should be the three things for that. It's a wonderful, and means you can say 10 on 10 marks, and from the starting from the travel arrangement and all these welcome notes, and with the traditional touch, and which city we are presently we are means getting this celebrated. So it's a awesome experience. Thank you.